First one up is Gary Shergood, MMR, with a series that I think is really taken off. It's called Bits and Pieces. And Gary, I think you're doing a great job with it. So thank you so much for being here.
Thank you very much, Jim. And welcome to Bits and Pieces for tonight. Tonight, we're going to talk about card containers, aluminum tubes, things like that, like these round objects. I've collected these over a period of time, and you can see these ones here were actually, I bought stamps. I bought quite a bit of them over a period of time. And these little cylinders I kept, these here are cigar containers. This here is a medical container. And right here, believe it or not, is this held a charge for joining railroad track. But over a period of time, I collected these, and whoops, sorry. So here we have these tubes here. Now, what I do with these is I take one of them and I take very thin scribed siding. You can see it's scribed here. I measure how much I need, cut it out to just go over top and bottom just a little wee bit. And you can see here, I then apply glue on the wood material, the scribed siding, and wrap it around the tube, wrap it with elastics, let it dry overnight. And then you can come back. I then sand this smooth on the top and bottom, put a piece on the bottom because you'll see later what's going to go in here. Then everything is smooth. And this is what you can do with it. Here is a water tank on top of a building. Here is a pickle barrel that I've done with a load of pickles fermenting inside the vat. You can see here I've done quite a few pickle barrels, all different sizes. So those little containers come in very handy. Now this tube here, what I've done here is I've used it and cut the metal off. And then you end up with a device, same thing, wrap it, and you can build a little tank for on top of your one of your industrial buildings. Now this is a larger tube that I saved. And what I do with those is they ended up being silos. A little bit of masking tape around them, some scribed lines, some coloring, and you come up with some really beautiful silos out of that tubing. Now with the ones from the cigar containers, I've used those, and they get painted. And as you can see here, they are stacks on this part of this generating station here with the tubes or the piping coming down. And that's Bits and Pieces for this week, Jim.
Well, I think that's great. And as I've said many times to you, and best of all, it's free.
Yes, it is free. It's stuff we'd normally throw away. So as I say, I've got a bit of a collection of tubes.
I think it's great. Thank you so much, Gary. See you next week.
Thank you.